Hello friends, welcome to Study Maniac presented by AS Developers, and let's start the current affairs and the Hindu analysis of July 21, 2018. Friends, before moving forward, I would like to tell you a few things that if you want to get the maximum benefit from our videos, whether it is current affairs or MCQs or vocabulary, you must see them from start to end. Because in our current affairs video and daily MCQ videos, we include so many facts which are relevant to the UPSC. So you must have to write them down. Only by writing them down you can get the maximum benefit from our videos. So please watch them from start to end. Okay, let's start. No confidence motion against Modi government. Here is how it unfolded. I've taken this news from the Indian Express. Okay, after a raging 12-hour debate on Friday, the Narendra Modi-led NDA government defeated the no confidence motion in the Lok Sabha by 199 votes. Okay, so government defeated the no confidence motion. While 126 members supported the motion, 325 MPs rejected it. The day-long session in the lower house saw the government and the opposition trade charges and a moment of drama when Congress President Rahul Gandhi, after a blistering speech, walked over to Prime Minister and embraced him in a hug. So all these things happened in the Lok Sabha session yesterday. Okay, moving towards the next one. Forest Department to develop temple gardens, ecotourism spots. As part of the mission Haritha, Andhra Pradesh, the Forest Department has undertaken development of 11 temple gardens, including the temple atop Indra Kalidari in Vijayawada, and 6 ecotourism spots during 2018-19 at a total cost of rupees 10 crore. Okay, here is the list of temples. You can read it from here. Moving towards the next one, India's first Islamic art gallery soon. Okay guys, you must have heard about the Salar Jung Museum. It is on the bank of Musi River. Okay, so this museum has so many good collections of art, sculptures, paintings, etc. Now this museum will have the status of first Islamic art gallery as well. Okay, this will be opened by the end of this financial year. Cryptocurrencies will boost illegal transactions, RBI to Supreme Court. The Reserve Bank of India on Friday said that dealing in cryptocurrency would encourage illegal transactions. The RBI had already issued a circular prohibiting use of these virtual currencies. Cryptocurrencies are a stateless digital currency in which encryption techniques are used by encryption techniques are used for trading, and these currencies operate independent of the central bank like RBI. So as the RBI mentioned, the cryptocurrencies has no regulatory authority over it. So it can be used for illegal transactions. All right, moving towards the next. The farmers passes a no trust verdict. In Lok Sabha, MPs had just started debating a no confidence motion against the government. 1 kilometer down Sansad Marg, several thousand farmers meeting under the banner of All India Kisan Sangharsh Coordination Committee had already voted in their own Kisan Avishwas Prastav Sabha on Friday. Their verdict was unanimously against the government. Okay, the National Commission on Farmers was constituted in 2004 under the chairmanship of M.S. Swaminathan. The committee recommended a new formula for calculating MSP, in which MSP was decided at 50% more than the average cost of production, classified as C2. But till now, no implementation of these recommendations has been done. So the farmers passes the no confidence motion to show their dissatisfaction with the policies of the government, which was one of the agenda in the election campaign. So this is the reason why farmers passes a no trust verdict against the governments. Ready to tax all Chinese imports. So this news is relative to the US-China trade war. So US President Donald Trump said in an interview released on Friday he is willing to hit all Chinese goods import to the US with the tariffs if necessary. I am ready to go 500. The Republican leader told the US network CNBC, referring to the $505.5 billion in Chinese imports accepted into the US in 2017. Okay, in a next move, US imposed 25% tariffs on the mechanical and technical products of China, which is arising worst trade war of economic history. But US President Trump has said that this move is benefiting US as US currency is going up day by day. Also, the current account that was deficit is now improving, so showing positive results to US. But in China, the effect of this trade duty is increasing inflation rates. Okay, rest of the news you can read from here by pausing the video. Okay, moving towards the next one. GST Council may mull taxing natural gases. The 28th meeting of the Goods and Services Tax Council will likely discuss the inclusion of natural gases in the GST. The rationalization of tax rates on more items, including sanitary pads and handicraft items, are the simplifying of the returns filing procedures, according to the tax analyst. GST Council may discuss the inclusion of natural gas in GST, said by the Joint Secretary of GST Council. He also said petrol and diesel cannot be kept inside the GST as these are the huge source of revenue for both center and the state governments. Also, many ministries has demanded to reduce prices, like Ministry of Women and Child Development said the sanitary pads should come to 5% rate from 12%, but the concern is that this would lead to inverted duty structure where inputs have high tax rates than final products. Okay, SAT refuses to revoke RAP against SEBI. The Securities Appellate Tribunal has refused to revoke its order in which it has sharply criticized the Securities and Exchange Board of India for letting off Tata Finance Limited, despite finding serious violations in 2001 preference share issue. Okay, SEBI, you should know about SEBI and SAT. Okay, SEBI is responsible for protecting the interests of investor. Okay, appeal against the SEBI can be initiated in Securities Appellate Tribunal, which is a quasi-judicial body containing 3 members appointed by the central government. It is not bounded by Code of Civil Procedure. It follows the rule of natural justice. It has only one branch in Mumbai. Okay, so from this, today's video is over. If you like this video, please like it and comment us in the comment section and tell us if any changes or any updates you need from us. Or also please do subscribe our channel. We really need your support and help and motivation, so please subscribe our channel. So thank you very much.